Emory-Outdoors here, and volunteering for the Ironman Jacksonville race today. And I am on station. This is where I'm going to hang out while they do the swim. So yeah, that'll be cool. The Acosta Bridge is right here. So we'll spend most of the day trying to stay off the bridge because the current's switching here in a little while. The swimmers should be coming from behind me. Starts in about 15 minutes. So I can see the first wave of swimmers coming. They're probably half a mile from me, maybe a little bit more. I can hear people on the Main Street Bridge cheering for the swimmers. So the first swimmers are at the Main Street, or almost. It's really hard to see because it's like directly into the sun. Here's the first group of swimmers. Time to go to work. Current's starting to roll in. I've got a pretty good gap on the second group of swimmers. Just three people in that first group. Guys are swimming very fast. Pretty impressive. So I think we got the last swimmer right here. Most of the safety boats went through, and kayaks, following that last group. We got 2 kayaks following this swimmer, and got a handful of other safety boats here, so it's looking good. Got the fans cheering from the shore. Current's ripping through here, going into the current. Trying to get over there to the boat ramp. Look at the water piling up. Piling. Give you an idea how strong the current is. Ended up under the bridge, making sure it was okay to go. Oh my gosh, it was so hard getting out from underneath the bridge. So they just did a 2.4 mile swim. They had the current assisting them, which I know they were all thankful for, but they've still got a 112 mile bike ride. And then they got to run a full marathon, 26.2 miles. So they got their work cut out for them. The bike course goes down by my house. So when I pack up, get done here, I'm gonna go see if I see any bikes, because that'll be cool to, watch that a little bit. Current's not as strong over here, thankfully. I'm working my butt off back there. Good Lord. Got my workout in today. Been on the water. I launched at 6:45. It's 9:15 right now. So a little while. What a beautiful day. All right. Thanks for watching. And good luck to the people finishing the Ironman. I wish them the best. Did my good deed for the day. It was pretty inspiring watching those people swim. So yeah, that was very cool.